everybody, welcome back to Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we are presenting you a unique opportunity, which is a villa that is for reconstruction in a top location in La Mata, Torrevieja in Spain. It's on the market for 859,000 euros, and it's a spectacular options, very close to the beach. It's in walking distance, less than 200 meters. We have private pool. As you already can see in these beautiful images, we have a big garden, we have a lot of green, and the house, it's a two-story house. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, it has a private terrace for one of the bedrooms, it has solarium, and it has a lot to offer. It's south-oriented, and the location, again, it's one of the best in this area in La Mata. Very few offers come actually to the market in this location, so we are really excited to finally present you this option. The area offers you peace, it's offering you privacy, and still you have the beach very close, you have some amenities, the supermarkets, even the public transport still is very close to here. You have pharmacies, and one of the best restaurants is also in walking distance from here, so the area is really well developed, and this is one of the best options that you can find that is so close to the beach for such a big house with such big plot. We have more than 600 meters and almost 300 meters built. But now, finally, let's show you around. So this is a fully independent villa, and it's offering you a lot. And starting by the outside space of this house, we have very unique and beautiful olive tree. We have some pine trees, palm trees, and overall the villa is surrounded by a fence of trees, which I think is really the essence of a Mediterranean classic Spanish house. Now I want to show you a bit more here so you can see how you can enjoy this house. Of course, we can see that it needs restoring, but this house is an opportunity. We've been looking on the market, and there are no similar properties for such price. We are so close to the beach that this is really a unique opportunity, and if you invest in a good renovation for this house, it will increase its value a lot. So now I want to show you a bit of the inside. Let's show you. This is the access to our private villa, and we have behind me the parking space, the private one, and here is the main entrance with this nice classic Mediterranean arc. And continuing, we have this welcoming and open entrance, and already we can see the garden. It's not really well maintained now, but it has a lot of potential, and we still are keeping a lot of natural green. Now let's take a closer look into this house. Again, we have a nice entrance, and let's take a look at the living area. This is a classic Spanish Mediterranean house, so we have, of course, marble floors, we have big windows, we have a nice chimney, and this is an open but still well distributed space. So this is the lounge area, and we have access to that beautiful pool area. So continuing, what we have on this floor is the dining area, which is, again, as I was saying, well separate from the lounge and chimney area. Okay, now here we have the big separate kitchen. So they have the kitchen and the dining as well there. So this could be transformed into a very comfortable space where you cook, and then you can have your breakfast room, for example, right here with the views to your own garden and also access to it through this other door. So in this villa, we do have a lot of exits, so it makes it very comfortable, and every area is very well connected to the outside. Now, this door is the one that would give us access to the garage, and this one, I'm excited to show you, is the access to the barbecue area. So as you can see, we can enjoy a lot of the sun in here. We have a dining area, and right here is the built-in barbecue. And again, as I was saying, the well connection of this house gives us access here to the garden and the pool areas, so you can enjoy the barbecue, bring it up there, and enjoy with friends and family. But now let's show you around what else the ground floor and the main one of the house is offering. And the last thing that I want to show you on the first floor is, which is quite important, is that we have a toilet for guests, which is very convenient coming from the pool area. Now let's go upstairs to show you the 4 bedrooms that we have here and beautiful sea views. So on this upper floor, what we have here is 4 bedrooms. We also have a full bathroom in this floor, and we have access to a solarium. So let's show you around, starting by the biggest bedroom, which is quite interesting for me because this looks as the perfect kid big room where you can have your studying area. You can enjoy the beautiful sea views over there, and you have a lot of space to enjoy with friends when you invite someone over. Now let's continue with the tour with this next bedroom. Again, this could be the main bedroom. It's big, it has a nice window with beautiful views and a built-in wardrobe. Here we have the access to the solarium, but that I leave for later. I want to show you the remaining 2 bedrooms, which again have beautiful sea views. It's good that every room of this floor has that, because it's rare that architects have this in mind. The difference in this specific room is that we have more wardrobes and we have an ensuite bathroom. And of course, what is making it very special is the access to your private terrace, where you have the beautiful views to the sea, your own garden, and the pool. It's a really great architectural decision. And last but not least, I wanted to show you the solarium of this house, where we can enjoy even greater sea views. And it's on a, for now, tricky wooden staircase, but let's check it out. Wow, these views. So when we get up to this solarium, we have a terrace to enjoy more privacy. If you don't want to go less than 200 meters to the beach, you can sunbathe here. And of course, you can enjoy this beautiful view. What I see from here, it's not only the sea, but also we have a lot of green. We have the views to Santa Pola in Alicante mountains. I think this is beautiful. And it's something that is very unique to this specific area in Costa Blanca, La Mata, in Torrevieja. And this house is offering a lot, as you can see, but as I was saying in the beginning, it needs some investment, but it's an investment for those who can look a bit forward in time and plan ahead their investments, because this house can increase a lot in value if you do the right renovation. The area is unique, the house itself as well, and it has a lot of value to live in this area where you have amenities close, but still you conserve your privacy and security in this specific area. So wonderful opportunity. If you need any more information, as always, my details will be on the screen, and we'll be glad to answer any of your questions regarding this beautiful villa. Thank you very much for watching. You can also follow more options that we have. I post a lot on Instagram now, and of course Alicante Real Estate website, where you can see the hottest offers of the Costa Blanca. Thank you for watching. Give us a like and see you in the next one. Bye.